Okay, so for this we are doing the 2017 BC Calculus free response question 4. Um, and part A, so it's the hot potato problem. So you have this potato, and there's a differential equation here, which gives its temperature, and you have its initial temperature. So, write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of h at t equals 0. Use the equation to approximate the internal temperature of the potato at time t equals 3. So, for this part, what you have to do is, because we're given the h of 0 equals 91, you plug in 91 into the differential equation to get the slope. So dh dt is equal to negative 1/4 of 91 minus 27. Sorry, my surface is a little messed up. So then if you simplify that out, you get this is equal to negative 16. And then you could just plug this into the equation y equals mx plus b to get h equals negative 16t plus 91 for the equation. And then to get h of 3, you just plug 3, you just plug 3 into this. So you would get negative 48 plus 91, which is equal to 43 degrees Celsius. I'm going to pause to plug in my computer real quick. So now for part 2, what you have to do is take the second derivative in part 2 and use it to figure out if the 43 degrees Celsius is an underestimate or an overestimate when the time is 3. So what you need to do is take the derivative of, so you need to take ddt of dh dt. So this is equal to negative 1/4 for that part, but then you have to multiply it by dh dt, so negative 1/4 times h minus 27, and this gets you 1/16 of h minus 27. And here you would plug in the 43 for h, so you get 1/16 of, what's that, 16, which is just equal to 1, and 1 is greater than 0. So therefore, when t equals 3, it is a underestimate because it's greater than 0. It means the graph is concave up, so therefore the tangent line will be an underestimate. So it is a underestimate. Okay. Part C. So what you're doing here is that you have a different differential equation, and you are trying to find the normal. So you have to just find the equation for g of t, and then find what the temperature is at when t equals 3. So what you want to do for this one is first you got to separate the variables. So you get dg, you get g minus 27 to the negative 2/3 is equal to, dg is equal to negative dt. And then you have to integrate both sides, and you wind up getting 3g minus 27 to the 1/3 is equal to negative t plus c. So then you want to plug the initial condition into this, and you get 3 times the cube root of 64 equals negative 0 plus c. So the cube root of 64 is just 4, so 3 times 4 equals c, which is 12. So then you plug this back into the equation, and you get 3 times g minus 27 to the 1/3 equals negative t plus 12. And then you want to get it in terms of g. So you're gonna divide by 3, then you're gonna cube it, and then you're gonna add 27 to both sides, and you will wind up getting g is equal to negative t over 3 plus 4 cubed plus 27. And then so that's the general formula for g. And then we're trying to find g of 3, which is equal to negative 1 plus 4 cubed plus 27, which is equal to 54. And that's the problem.